Sometimes you just need to step back from a situation and take a good look at the big picture to put it all in perspective. Last week, the Senators made their annual visit to CHEO and did just that. After spending some quality time with the kids, something like going through a 7-game losing streak in November and December suddenly didn't seem like such a big deal.
Winless in 7 is a lot better than what these kids have to face every day, and it's unbelievable seeing them battle. And you know what? It's just nice being able to come in here and put a smile on their face. And it's a small thing compared to what these people do. They're people that are here every day helping them out. But it's just nice to be able to come in, like I said, and make them happy and make them smile. And it just feels good for us as well.
When you come here, you kind of forget about hockey, but obviously it's nice to have won a few games and put us in a better mood here for the few days we've had off. But you come here and hockey kind of becomes secondary, and you're just here to kind of enjoy the day.
It's clear the visit helps the Senators remember that hockey is just a game, but it also serves as an opportunity to share some laughs. The smiles on the players' faces are just as big as those on the kids.
Whenever you get the opportunity to come down, I usually come down here more than a couple times a year, so it's it's great to come down and just spend time with the kids. And it doesn't matter where you're going. Anytime you get to, I'm a big kid myself, so you get to spend time with kids. It just makes you feel all nice and warm inside, and it's great. It really is.
It's nice because it puts a smile on everyone's face, especially since it's not that great being at CHEO sometimes.
Okay. And this makes it a little bit better?
Yeah, makes it a lot better.
It's just nice to be able to speak to them and have their company for 3-4 minutes, which seeing their reaction, that's the best thing.
It's been amazing. It's overwhelming because it's so nice. It's nice for them to come. It's a great day.
Since the Senators began making this trip to CHEO years ago, the team has matured, and the room is now filled with players who are also fathers. They have a deep new appreciation for the Children's Hospital and what it provides for the Ottawa community.
We're very fortunate that we haven't had to spend a lot of time here, and also knowing how good it is, because we've had to use it with Ben. The staff and resources that they have here are unbelievable. Luckily we haven't been in a situation where a long period of time. But it's, like I said, they do a great job here of making it as enjoyable, I guess, as easy as possible, and the care that I get is unbelievable.
It's everything. We've been, like I said, my kids are under 3. I have 2 under 3, and we've been here probably half a dozen times, just with high fevers and stuff. And you never want to, with kids young age, you never want to let anything go too long. So we bring them here, and they've done a fantastic job every time we've been here. And every time we come here, there's a lineup out the door pretty much. So I know they're extremely busy here, but they take good care of the kids here, and we've had nothing but good things. So again, it's nice to come back here and give back a little bit to what they give to the kids of family members.
If the Senators find themselves in another winless streak, which hopefully won't be anytime soon, it's certain that more than a few will look back on this day for a little inspiration and some perspective.
Whether we're winning or losing, I don't think it matters on a day like today. We're in here to try and let them have a happy day, and wins and losses really don't matter at this point.
It's easy to look at the negatives as an adult. I mean, it's pretty quick, and you see kids that are in pretty tough situations, and the way they handle themselves, and the way they smile and look at the positives, and I think that's the biggest thing you can take out of this.
I just want to say good luck out there, and keep scoring and keep trying the hardest you can. Thanks.
For Molson Senators Overtime, I'm Glenna Goswich.
To ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. I gotta keep going. That's good. That's good. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Have a good Christmas.